Welcome October. So today will be different. Let's make coffee while we chat. Shall we? Come on, samahan niyo ako. Okay, it's coffee time. We're gonna be using these beans from Paradox Coffee Roasters. They're very good or blend coffee, and the name is Poker Face. So yan, you can see the tasting notes. Okay, so let's start. I usually dose my coffee around 20 grams if it's just gonna be me. But if I'm sharing it with someone, I usually do it 21 grams and then split it. But for the sake of this video, tayo lang naman. So let's just do 20 grams. So there you go. Ayan. Close enough. Tapos what I normally do is to prevent static. I normally do a couple of wisik-wisik of water. RDT, they call it in coffee terms. So, para less static and mas magandang i-grind. So, ito, naka-set up na yung grinder ko. So, I'm using the DF64V. It's got an RPM of 900. Sinet-up ko lang siya. But you can change it. But I find it 900 to be, for me, perfect yung RPM niya to have a good tasting coffee. That's it. The bellow, a bit of pump. And then, ito. Make sure, guys, that your portafilter is always dry. So we're gonna be using a naked portafilter for single shot. Anyway, just for me. So ayan, dry na siya. And then let's use this Sayuki. So let's put our grinded coffee. And then I normally like using the WDT technique to distribute it. Tapos at the same time mawala yung mga clamps. Although the grinder is good, it doesn't provide, hindi naman siya nagka-clamping. Pero wala, habit na eh. And then let's do a distribution. There you go. In fact, clean na siya, oh. And then now the tamping time. Ayan. Oh, kita nyo, oh. Then I always use this, which is the pack screen, para clean siya and evenly distributed more. So let's try it now. Lagyan natin siya. And then let's press there. It should be ready now. Okay, let's see. There you go, looks good. There's no channeling. There you go, 41 grams. Panalo. Oh, look, that's our finished product. I hope you can see it. Nice. Smell nice. That's what I like about Paradox. They always make great coffee beans. And their taste note is always like perfect. When I say perfect, the combination is so nice. So guys, ayan, that's how I usually do my espresso. So thank you for joining, and I hope meron kayong natutunan. Okay, so have a great day, have a great month. October na. And I wish and pray that we all have a great month full of love, peace, provision. Diba? Yung promise natin eh. So, let's keep on hoping, let's keep on praying, and the faith, let's keep on, making sure na align tayo sa will ng Panginoon. So, guys, inumin ko na tong coffee ah. Oh. Thank you for joining. Until next time. Bye-bye.